Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. If it is your first time here, hit that subscribe button right now and like and subscribe because I always do the videos about bicycles and cycling gear. Now let me just show you over here what I would, why am I doing this video today and some of the lessons that you guys may learn. Usually after the riding, I would take my Castelli shorts, wash it, get it ready to go for my next run the day after, and then I would hang this up on my balcony so the sun can dry my cycling shorts. And here's the problem here. I had left this thing in a very hot sun out there, and look over here. You have this coating. I hope it's gonna catch on camera right there. That got washed away. Not the washed away, but I would say it just kind of faded. So if you look over here, how dark is it? And if you look on the bottom, it's starting to get kind of gray. What happened there? This is what you call the sun damage. This coating here that gets applied on the cycling shorts simply kind of melted or faded away. And then I have this kind of gray. I'm gonna just try to go like this. See, I have this gray looking texture now, and it's not too bad, but you see the difference here what I'm talking about. Now I hope this is going to be the lesson for me and for you guys, not to dry your jersey in jersey or the cycling gear like shorts in this case in direct sunlight. The more proper way in order to do this would be to flip this thing out like this and then try to dry it this way in a shade. So basically this inner outside part is not exposed that much, so that you have this thing over here being exposed rather than this coating on this side being exposed, which is going to eventually, like here, melt away. So I wanted to do the short video on this, thinking that you guys will find this useful. And that's about it. I had quite a few years out of this cycling shorts, and I'm looking to replace it. But before I done that, I said let's do the video so others can learn what you guys can expect and whatnot. However, going back to the Castelli, I'm pretty happy with the jersey and all this, and I would definitely get one. So right now I'm shopping for one. But I wanted to do the video for you guys so you can see what are the side effects of drying your jersey in direct sunlight. And that's about that. Again, like, subscribe, and take care. Bye-bye.